where the dogs stay until they dry out. And then this goes into the house. Welcome to Taxidermy City.
Did you have to leave early?
No.
This is over the doors coming in.
And I feel bad for him because he didn't want me to.
Here's the stairs. So go down to the basement, which is where all the bedrooms are. First floor. Give me a few minutes, Em, and I'll play.
And have him watch it. Then he'll be fine.
Does he know that? He does?
More
I
animals.
freaked out a little bit, but then it's like,
Here's a back porch that goes along. Here's one of the ponds.
Kelly has some of them all down.
You know, you can't expect it.
They recruited her. They had her go up there. Yeah, academics. She went up to Blake. He was like her friend. They recruited, they went up there together.
Tom painted this.
Hey Kelly, how close were you to going to Alabama?
I don't know. There's the bar.
Hi, Kelly.
Oh, hi guys.
Uncle, you want to play pool?
There's another one Tom painted.
Oh, they're gonna be here like a day.
There's a sitting area with a big
Okay,
sack on top of that.
this,
Oh yeah, I remember having this.
you start. So, you put the camera there, and then you have to put the white ball somewhere behind this, doesn't matter where. And then you break. What are we at?
And we go first?
There's a snow
I
play.
don't care.
You know, that's the most insulting label. This snow place.
And here's another one that Tom painted.
Okay, now it's your turn. Well, first of all, we see whoever gets in.
Here is the front driveway.
It's just. Yeah.
And there's another pond over there. There's our cars.
It worked.